Hey guys, what's going on? Hey Jody, hey Vic, how we doing team? Well, gold's gone without us. Um, all right, let's have a look, see what's going on. Hey Prem, hey Peter, Jez, how are you mate? How was skiing? Did you come back single or did you come back married again? Or is that a story for another time? Right, okay, so look, let's do top down, see what we're seeing. Because gold's chucking in, look at this. So from where it opened last night, it's gone straight up and now it's at the low of the day. So we are seeing big significant shift in sentiment since the open last night at 11 o'clock, where the market has effectively pushed up to new all-time highs. And today we are at the lowest point of today. So what does that look like on the lower time frames and where could it potentially go on the daily chart? So the daily support is here. Let's drop down the time frame. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour we see resistance pop in here. The 4 hour support is still here. Although if we look at this area, it's like a consolidation that I would expect the market to come into. So we're looking good for sells for continuations. Let's drop down to the hourly. Okay, so if we look at the hourly, most recent resistance we can see through here. Most recent support, which we've just bust through, is there. Now we've kind of got clear space for another sort of 100 pips. Let's have a look at the 30. Okay, so based on what I'm seeing right now, is I want to look for a path into this short. So, uh, bias in terms of the long-term move is definitely short. Um, but I don't want to be looking for longs now until we see like a an hourly bullish candle is something like that that we can get into. So um, let's have a look at the 15. 15 was in a nice strong candle. Got 2 minutes left before this one closes. What have we got here on a wick? 37 points. Okay, love some of that. So today's momentum's to the downside. So if the next candle opens and pushes higher, let me just confirm there's no news again today. I'm sure there isn't, but yeah, no news. Okay, let's see what we've got space now on the wick. It's dropped a bit, but okay, that's just screwed that trade. I still think this the next move has to be to the downside. So there's definitely no. Oh, not yet. Maybe we've still got possibility. All right, let me just what have we got? 23 points. Okay, let's change charts. All right, okay. Here we go. Switch. Ah, damn it. We need to be in. All right, let's just put that down there. Let me just check. Uh, realistically, we just. I'm going to take it underneath the low of the candle. I'm not going to do the flip. We'll take it down there. So we're taking the low of the hourly candle. Let's put a partial TP in. Yeah, happy with that. 50%. Let's take a little bit more. I'm going to take 60% off instead of 50. Okay, so that's just triggered. Ooh. Frankie went for the flip. Of course he did. Mr. Flipper. This group of traders, they've all gone fliptastic. All right. Okay. Let's. Ooh. That went a little bit. Why did that not get? I was a bit slow on the trigger there. Bit slow. That went 70% rule. Never mind. We'll see. So if we get 7 pips up, guys, I'm moving stop to break even because it is against the higher time frame trend. So always remember that rule. There we go. Okay, T1 done. So we banked some cash. Let's see where it goes. So nice quick profit there, guys. Let's see if we can get another 25 pips out of this. T2 for everyone, guys. I've gone 25, but we'll see what happens. Because I took 60% off at T1, so I've nudged it a little bit extra. And there we go, 25 pips. Easy money, guys. Let's. We did this without Bill with us today as well. Come on, Bill with us, where are you? Come on, Jody, what song are we putting on next? Oh, I just bring this down just a touch to cover any commission. There we go. Don't give a damn what it does now. Reverse. Okay, there we go. We're out of the trade. So let's just have a look where we are for the day. See if it will. So just at 1,014 and 5 pence for the day. So job's done. Right, that's me done on gold now. Nice quick trades, that's what we like. Now it has come into this area. If we look, previous cycle high. We've got what I do like about this strong move down now is we've got big candles to work within. Remember, the higher time frame is a bullish market. So I'm just going to come back to trading view because I just don't like MetaTrader for analysis. So guys, let me know if you got your pips there. How many pips do you rack up? So if we look at previous market sentiment, strong move up, the impulse is followed by the correction, impulse followed by consolidation. Yeah, you can go away. Okay, consolidation, we broke out, a nice impulsive move up. This correction here was, you can see how it came in a few waves, and correction and impulse, correction, impulse, moving lower, creating lower lows and lower highs. We break out, coming back to test these highs, and then that's where the next strong move is. So looking at this, anywhere in this region, because we've seen the move, it consolidated, pushed higher, created a lower high. I, I would say we're going to come back to here before we either continue to push to new highs or we then rotate or come back down into this area. So from a perspective of, let's just get rid of this. I'm just going to wait now, see if we can get 30 minutes. So in fact, we've got COMEX open in 24 minutes. If this 15-minute candle closes bullish, I've overtraded a little bit, by the way, guys, today. Um, that's because a couple of markets set up at the same time, and I took both trades. So I think I've done 7 trades today now. So 2 more than I kind of commit myself to. And that's because, and that's why I went for a run. So I went for a run earlier, did 10K purely because I was sat here. A couple of coaching sessions cancelled, and I found it. I was looking at the charts, they were moving. I had obviously the losing trade in the live stream this morning, but everything since then, I've had one losing trade, the rest winners, but there's been no sort of big winners. There's been none that have really followed through. Well done, Vic. Yeah, I'm definitely uh just waiting now to see if we can get a close here. So we'll give this till quarter past before we have a look at anything. We'll give this till quarter past, I should say, before we look see if there's going to be a buy setup on. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq. So that was the trade setup yesterday that obviously did the biz. Right, let's remove everything. Top down. We'll start with the daily. Future Frankie, well done, bud. Uh, okay, so listen, tell me what you see when you look at this daily chart. Uh, 1 second. One second, guys. I'm just creating a little. Right, let me know. I've just fired in a poll, guys. Just let me know. Waiting for catalyst. Yeah. So ranging. So Rich says ranging. Jody says waiting for a catalyst. Okay. So look. First thing I say is, how do we determine trend? We determine trend through looking at highs and lows. How's the market cycling? And we also look at what type of candles are being formed. So if we think about all the different types of candles, what 4 types of candles do we have, guys? What what types of candles do we have? Give me the 4 types. So if this is candle 1, we have up range, one with a higher high and a higher low. We have down range, lower high, lower low. And outside with a higher high and a lower low. Then last but not least, an inside, one that has a lower high and a higher low. Remember, there's no other variation that you can have. That's the only four possibilities. The only difference that can change on that is how the candle closes. So if the market's trending up, we would generally see uprange candles. Okay, if the market's trending down, you generally see downrange candles. Market's moving up, uprange, 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 outside, uprange, downrange, uprange, inside, uprange, uprange, inside. So in a trend, if you see an inside candle or a bearish uprange candle, it's always nice to buy the break of the highs. Why? Because it's probably just a pause until we get to an area of structure. So if we look at where we are now based on the daily, let's just get rid of those. We look at the daily now, structure anywhere across this region. So we can just chuck that in there. Oops. Okay, we can see that. So do we have range from here? Yeah, there's about 150 points from here to here. So that's something that we can work with. Yesterday, what type of candle did we have yesterday on the Nasdaq? What type of candle was yesterday's candle? Look at this candle. What type of candle is that, guys? Downrange. Okay, so we know that it's a downrange, but yeah, it opened right at the lows, like literally right at the lows. And all it ever did from the second that it opened was pretty much go one way. So we know that this price point is of significance in the marketplace. Very strong bullish close. Now, what we need to do is look at the 4 hour just to try and determine what's actually happening. Now, we can see that where it closed, if we look left, is exactly where structure was previously. So we can't really do anything with this point. If we look at where it could come to onto the downside, most recent support is pretty much where the market opened, right? So if we look at this, we've got structure here, we've got structure here. So now we're looking at potential a range to work with, and can we trade down from here and can we trade up from here? And if so, what would it look like? So things we need to consider. Do we have clear candle space? So if we look at the most recent support, which is here, I'm sorry, I'm keeping my own goals as well. If we look at the most recent support, do we have clear candle space? If you look left and we look at this bit here, is this clear candle space? So if we break through here, do you want to try and trade into this area or not? Okay, cool. So this support area, nice one, Frankie. So this support area and this range we can get rid of, and we can bring this over here. So now, if we look below here, is this clean candle range? Can we trade into this area? Can we trade into this zone now? Yeah, Frankie, it's lovely. It's lovely. We've got clear big volume momentum candles. So we've got no traffic. This is like jumping on the M1 or the M25 in the middle of the night, and there's no traffic on there. This is like rush hour. It's peak. You could come down, you hit a traffic jam, you get stopped, it's just carnage. We can't do anything in these areas. Where we get nice big candles and clear candle space to work within, that gives us, doesn't mean it's going to go all the way there, but it gives us high probability that we can hit T1 or T2. So if we're marking up the chart, literally just going to say, right, we're going to look for cells under 21,576. We know then underneath here we've got 175 pips. We're looking for 20. So if we can, we're looking for 20 for our first target, and there's 175. The probability of us doing 1/8 of the range is like 12.5% of that move. Pretty easy, right? So looks good. Only thing I'd be hesitant is how far has it moved on the day if it breaks below here? So let's say, I mean, it's what, 21,650. So it's only another 80 points. So it's 180 down on the day. So it'd be under a 1% move. So that's all right. There'd still be room to get you there. So not a problem. I wouldn't be looking at bullish opportunities from here because, again, look at these candles. Just horrible. Small bodies, sell a candle followed by a buy a candle followed by a big wick, follow small body, buy a candle, sell a candle with a wick. There's no continuity. So if you're trying to trade into that zone, into that price point, you're just driving straight into traffic. So forget it. So long above, buys above 21,800. Now remember, if you're looking at the price points, your price points on your broker might vary to what we're seeing here on TradingView. And we know we've got 91 point range here. So there's plenty of room to trade in. Here, no major news. So we don't need to worry about anything that's going to create the market to spike other than our Mr. Beloved Trump throwing out some tariffs or something like that. Gold still sitting in the zone. Nothing we can do with that yet. 12 minutes. 12 minutes for a bullish close. So this is the only chart I'm interested in. Oh, saying that, DAX has just popped again. All right, hold on, guys. Let's wait for this 30-minute to close. We could be going on the DAX. Let's wait for this candle to close. I traded this one this morning on the break. I won't trade the break here because this is European session now. We're way into the European session. So this move here was as the market was opening. So we got fresh cash coming into the market. This obviously were US open, so I'd rather trade, if I'm going to trade a momentum entry and a break of structure without waiting for a close above, I'll be doing that on the Nasdaq or a US stock as opposed to a US index as opposed to a European. Gold's continuing to drop. I mean, to be fair, it's due a bit of a drop, but 10 minutes for the DAX. Shorts potential. Let's have a look. You could look for shorts if you wanted underneath here, but I'm gonna avoid the shorts on the DAX until we get a proper change in structure. Hmm. Yeah, this is gonna take, if you look for the short underneath here, that's gonna take probably at least an hour and 40 minutes, and I'm not gonna be sitting here in an hour and 40 minutes, I'll tell you that. So we need to just wait 9 minutes for this candle. Hopefully we can get a close above. If we get a close above, next candle wicks down, we'll buy the break of the high. And that will be me for today. That will be me. Oh, let's have a look, see how many of you have answered the poll. 40% have made 10 pips, 60% have made 11 to 20, and that's a lot. Okay, so only 5 people have voted. Really? Right, how many have we got in here today? I can't even see. Uh, no, not that one. I know Mr. Armand will be on the road, I think. He's heading down here for tomorrow's event. Frankie, are you down tonight or are you down in the morning? What about yourself, Rich? Are you coming in tomorrow? Right, why is that not working? Docs. There we go. There we go. Okay. Everything's refreshed now. So we've got 8 minutes. We're waiting for the DAX to hopefully stay above what's the level? 21,963. So let's just write it in. So if you are new and watching it, buys on close above 21,963. Now prices will vary. Oh, what's Leon? What's he saying? Look left, big support. I love it. Yeah, sorry guys. All right, okay, here we go. Um, always makes me laugh whenever there's a big move, people then just start looking at, oh, how did could I have gotten that? Post one chart, right? Gold. Whew. Right, guys, here you go. Take your pick. In 5 minutes, we're gonna close. We're gonna have a 30-minute candle closure. Which one do you want to trade? We've got two to choose from. They're both setting up the DAX or gold. Which one? Let me know which one. Which one are we looking at, guys? Gold or the DAX? Don't say both. Peter Cole, gold. You lot, you're all like James Bond now, aren't you? Goldfinger. Rich, Got that excited he forgot to type his answer. Both because I haven't traded today. Got 5 minutes. Look at you lot. Should... Sorry, I've got hiccups. Listen, you can't go wrong with either. As long as you get a wick down on both, they both look absolutely bellissimo. Yeah, Dax. I mean, look, they've all been kind recently. The main thing is, look, you just look at what you're doing, right? You're trading with markets that are trending to the upside. VIX leaning towards the DAX. Is that to the left or to the right? I am the DAX is my morning buddy. But to be fair, I'm legit. Until this morning's losing trade, I had 14 wins on the bounce, which I think is probably the best streak I've done. 14 on the bounce. Um, what I will say is you're probably going to get more time to place the trade because the DAX might just run up. What's the DAX up? It's up 52 points on the day. Gold's down $19. Mm, I ain't gonna lie, I can't make up my mind. What I'm gonna do is have an argument with um, magic keys while I try and get everything in place. All right, so let's change screens now so you can see what we're doing. Right, so literally, I've not placed it. This is just the pending order lines and DAX. Right, I'm gonna put it above the highs there. How are we doing for time? 28. Okay, so I'm not placing anything yet. Let's go back to gold. Cascade, where are you, Cascade? So we have 33 seconds, and then we can decide. And you know what? I'm gonna feel gold. Gold it is. Uh, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a bigger target because for first TP anyway. Because I think we're gonna mute. All right. Remember, comics is just open now, guys. They're both gonna. I'm just looking at the DAX on the screen over here. I think they're both gonna go at the same time. So unless you super, yeah, DAX is about to trigger any second now. If you taking it, DAX has triggered, I reckon. If you've taken it, DAX is definitely triggered, right? Gold's triggered now as well. I need to see some blue numbers, few pips, and then I can ramp my stop up. Rich is in the DAX, lovely. Jody's in gold. Let me know what you're in, guys. Missed both. How'd you miss both? You at work? Come on, these blue numbers. At least give us a few pips so we can move the stop up. Ah, Mr. Ryan, how are you, bud? Didn't know you were in the house. Ugh, that's not what we want to see. This would be the perfect time for Bill Withers. Absolutely, wouldn't it just? Oh dear me. Come on, gold. Look, I'm looking left and the DAX is soaring. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Come on, Goldfingers. Let's see this. Let's see these buyers turn up now. We can't be the only buyers. And there's me getting ready to move my stop, and it's only been one-way traffic at the minute. DAX is making the right sounds. I don't know how many pips you'd be up if you took the DAX now. Maybe five or six. Come on, Bill Withers. I can feel you coming. Where are you? Get this advert off. No, I just want to reduce my risk a little bit, but can't do that yet until we see some a few pips of profit at least. I'm 35. Mr. Lee Crooks is here. Good afternoon, bud. Not seen you for a while. How's your young lad doing? Smashing those birdies, getting double, what's it, eagles everywhere, and club champion, no doubt. Club junior champion by now. Rob McGee, look at you, Daft Punk. You surprise me all the time. Are you coming tomorrow, Rob? Oh, look at that. That was a very brief blue moment there. A bit like the skies over London. Be nice to see a bit of blue. Yeah, come on. We get spoilt sometimes with trades going very quickly in our. Ah, there we go. All right. Okay, stop loss to break even. All right, I've just banked half. I took 11 pips. There we go. It's tramming now. Oops. There we go. Just moving stop slightly in front of our entry price. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. When we get those easy pips. And there we go. Another 25 pips in the bank. All right, let it do whatever now, guys. You can say thank you and you can put some big likes in the chat. Here we go. TP2. Yes, lovely. Come on, guys. Just it's all right. I better see some hearts and likes in this chat now, guys. You can't just come here and bank pips and not say thank you by pressing a few likes. I think if you took the DAX, would you have got your 20 pips as well? Rich, you get your 20 pips on the DAX. Right, we're up 30 now on gold. Just keep locking a bit more profit in. Let's just uh, let's see how far we can run this one. 40. Ooh. TP2, Rich, lovely. Nice, 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 nice. All right. Let's take another half there. 50 pips. Let's bank another half. Lock up, lock in more profits. We're turning in. It's a good day. It's a nice day. We're gonna let me know how many pips you got today, guys. Come on, don't be shy. Nigel Briggs. Oh, you took both as well, didn't you, Nigel? Nigel's the cat that that got all the cream today. Peter Cole, 50 pips. The funded account is looking very healthy, right? I'm just pulling stops up. I don't care now. Locked about 25 in, I think, there. Banked 50 with yeah, 24. 48 pips for future Frank. Lovely jubbly. I can tell you one person who's going to be very pissed off he's missed this stream. That'll be Peter Armand as he's on the road. So, uh, Yeah, Frankie's done now. 48 pips and Nigel 50 pips now on gold and on the DAX. Peter Cole 1.8% today. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 1% yesterday, 1.8 today. Only trades for today though. That's all you need, Nigel. That's all you need. Two trades and done. Look at that. You tune in at 10 past 1, you're leaving at 20 140 and you've smashed it. Here we go. Let's get some more locked in. So because I've only got a little bit left now, I don't mind. I'm just literally Lola didn't on the train. Oh dear. And there we go. I'm out. Okay, so let's have a look. What have we done today? 1,726 and 11. There we go. Lovely jubbly guys. Day's done. That's me done. No more trading. Let's I'll close that down so there's no tempting. And let's come over. I'm looking at the wrong screen. Let's come back here. So the DAX is moving. Just watching you all make the pips. Lola, don't worry. There'll be plenty more opportunities. We don't give a damn what happens now. Day's done. We let other people trade. We let people do whatever they want to do. We've done what we needed to do. We planned our trade. We traded our plan. And that's it. Done. Let someone else get all these pips or whatever. Don't care. Look, when there's clear candle space, the likelihood of the market moving in a nice manner is pretty good. So when you try and trade through this crap, you're in trouble. Let the market, whatever it is, create that clear space. So we missed this bit down, yeah, until it broke. Then, yeah, much better now, isn't it, Rich? Much better. So yeah, you're happy with that. So incubator accounts now you should see spreads anywhere between 1 and 2 pips pretty much constantly. So remember, that's what I like to see. Well done, guys. So remember, if you are looking for some kind of instant funding um, without any challenges, then get yourself over to Instant FX Capital. There's the link. Click on that, hit apply now. You will open up a live account and then your funds will be multiplied by 10 for your starting balance. And you'll see it 5 different stages. Initial starting balance minimum is a 300 deposit, which will get you 3,000, or a maximum of 5,000, which will get you 50,000. And then you can trade each one of those. At stage 5, the 3K one becomes 60K, and the 50K becomes 1 million. So very, very nice way for you to start growing your own personal trading accounts, utilizing funded accounts with no challenges, just instant funding, click and go. Um, well done, team. Some great results. Listen, I don't know about you, but I don't see the point in sticking around and chatting and listening to music unless you. Oh, hold on. Let's have a look. The flip setting up on the DAX. Look, you guys, you're all a bit flip happy for my liking. I would be inclined to, if there's a wick down, trade the break of the high. Yeah, Peter, look forward to seeing you tomorrow, buddy. Um, what's don't think there's I don't think there's any point in looking at anything else. I don't like the DAX for sure. We need some movement on this. We need some big movement to try and find opportunity. The DAX, that's done. Gold, we've been in. We got some down and we got a nice chunk on the way back up. So well done for all of you that took the trades. Um, look, let's call it. As much as I'd love to stay talking to you all on the live stream, we've done what we came to do, right? 2 trades, 2 wins. We shoot, we scored. Done. Had to endure a little bit of pain on the second trade. Um, it moved like 15, 18, in fact, 20 pips against us, I think, at one point. Um, well done, Rich. Well done, Chris. Hey, Rich, how's the account looking? You seem to be making some nice positive tracks. I've managed to sort the problem out, copying DAX on. What was it, Anna? Was it to do with how one's called DAX and one's called German 30? So, and guys, remember, if you can share the stream with anyone that's interested in trading, be much appreciated. And any sort of comments always help as well. So, thank you very much for joining. Uh, I think that's it for today. No point sticking around, right? We've done what we came to do. It just needs mapping on the website of. I've no idea what that means, Anna, but thank you. Nigel, thanks, Mark. Have a good day tomorrow, everybody. Sorry that I can't come along, but up to my ears in 9 to 5 work. Well, listen, no worries, Nigel. You'll be missed tomorrow. Oh, 5%. Okay, bud. 5% up is fantastic feats. Anna, where's the accounts at? Are we? Oh, brilliant. That's good to know. Thanks, Jody. Well done, bud. How close are we to getting that account payout, Anna? How close are we? You could be getting 2 payouts this week. Leon's just got his payout submitted. Peter Cole will be getting a payout submitted soon at this rate. Yeah, thanks, guys. All right, listen, take care. I'm going to jump off now. Day's done. Bye, guys. Take care.